Yo, back again. It is the incredible. And I just want to say what's up. Hope y'all having a good day today. Good morning. And everything is everything, and everything that was things is gonna be things, whatever that means. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm feeling real good. Great outlook on life. We all got ups and downs, and you know what I'm saying, I've been up, been down. So, but today, you know what I'm saying, I'm really excited. I had salad for breakfast, so, it gets my body going, salad for breakfast. I just want to say that the topic today is love thy neighbor. The topic is love the neighbor. Love your neighbor. I ain't say go get your neighbor. I said love your neighbor. I don't want you to go steal their husband or their wife, but I want you to love your neighbor. I want you to, care about your neighbor. Make sure that, you ask them, are they okay? How things are going, Be a good friend to your neighbor. Treat them like you want to be treated. Now, some of y'all watch how y'all be treating y'all neighbors because y'all want to be treated mad crazy. But just make sure that y'all love that neighbor and treat them well, and always check on them. Say hi. You never know. They may be having a bad day. Just because they're smiling at you don't mean that they're happy. You know what I'm saying? Some could be really bad, you know what I'm saying, at home, you know what I'm saying, in the house. They could be fighting with their spouse. They could be, you know what I'm saying, having problems with their kids, anything, Just be a good friend, you know what I'm saying? Love your neighbor. Don't just be feuding with them because you don't get along. And if you are feuding with them, you know what I'm saying, try to take the high road and just show them a little love. And they don't show it back, that's cool. And if they do, then that's even better. But, love that neighbor. And, don't be, like I said, don't be trying to steal your neighbor's spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever, And eat right, exercise, meditate, pray, and definitely do something nice for somebody else. And until tomorrow, good morning. Good morning.